A couple of cool features were left out of my previous Botsonic video, so I made this part 2 to show them to you. In addition to watching this, I can wholeheartedly recommend trying this easy-to-use application for yourself. At the moment, my chatbot can only handle very basic questions about dogs because of the limited data it has been trained on. I want to enhance its capabilities so it can answer more challenging questions as well. This can be easily achieved by uploading new data that contains the necessary information. To ensure accuracy and up-to-date information, I am using official data from the American Kennel Club. The PDF file I have includes comprehensive details about the French Bulldog standards. Once the chatbot is trained with this new data, it will be able to provide all the relevant information about French Bulldogs, making it much more useful for users. Obviously, you can do the same with all the dog breeds in the world, making your chatbot a true knowledge base for dog enthusiasts. Please make sure you are allowed to use data for your purposes. A handy and fast way of uploading data in bulk is using sitemaps. Just copy and paste any XML file that fits your needs and upload it. Botsonic recognizes and extracts all the URL in the sitemap and shows all of them for you to approve or reject. With sitemaps, you can upload hundreds of URL at the same time easily and very fast. Botsonic also supports YouTube links. Just copy and paste the URL from YouTube and upload and train. The bot will be trained on the video's transcripts because Botsonic can't interpret a plain video content. Now, I just uploaded a video about the biggest dog breeds in the world. Let's see if this update has any impact on the chatbot. If you have data from several sources and the data is overlapping somehow, Botsonic will decide which data is shown in the answer. As we can see, the answer is pretty satisfactory, so the video was a good addition for this chatbot. When you have your source added, whether it's YouTube link or a website, it's not automatically synced with your chatbot. So when the source is updated, the bot is not. When you enable auto sync, Botsonic will fetch the source frequently and keep the bot updated. Alternatively, you can do the sync manually by clicking the Sync Now link. Depending on the amount of data in the file, it takes usually just a couple of seconds. You can also view further details of each source and edit some of the data there. An interesting part of the details is the extracted data, the actual content that Botsonic uses from the source. You can see the real transcript of the video, so it is easy to check if the content of the video is useful and usable for your chatbot. As always, don't just take my word for it. Try Botsonic and see for yourself how effortless it is to generate your own chatbot. Click the link in the description of this video and start your free trial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos about cool AI tools.